Okay, welcome to a quick video. As you can see in front of you on the screen, we've got an app called Grok Automation. Now this is a very good app by Auto and people are teaching you wrong how to make prompts for this, make prompts for that. It's got a very simple way of doing it. You can download the extension and put it into your extension bar and it'll pop up there, but it's got the ability to do Nano Banana Pro prompt on Google Flow. It's got quite a few things. Now, what I'm going to look at here is quickly go to this screen. So you've got the Auto Grok there. If you search for it, it's in the extensions. That's the one that you need. But also, it's got a GitHub repository. Now, all you need in GitHub is this. I can't speak, can I? Is to copy this URL. And this URL tells you what it can do and how to do it. And if you want to read the sections, gives you the overview of how it works and everything like that. But the best way to do it, you don't have to make prompts. You just go to ChatGPT or any LLM and tell it to understand it. And I'll show you what I mean. So we'll go to ChatGPT. And basically, I want you to go here to GitHub and make me a master prompt. I can generate images and videos, so you know how to format it. So it went over to GitHub, I can't say it, can I? It's because I've lost a tooth. Create a master prompt. So basically, it's gone away, it's created this prompt here. You are my GLab automation prompt builder. Now with this GLab automation, it needs to be structured in a certain way. So you can have a prompt, and it has to have a line break in between, followed by another prompt in plain text. So it just looks down here, gives you the master prompt. I'm not going to read it all. If you want to pause it and have a read, you can. Gives you how to use it, which is what some of these other videos lack in giving you any information. I'm giving you the straight deal, so share and like, and thank me for that. And whoever's giving me a thumbs down, please bugger off. It's annoying. I'm new to this. So then it does all that, and then you just tell it what you want, and it will create the prompt in the format like so. And I'll show you the format. Where did I did some more prompts earlier. Let's go here, and it creates a format like this. I was doing some stuff for the school community. So usually, this is for a video prompt, and it just breaks it down so the structure is like so, and that's all you need, that structure. Now what we need to do is get that into this auto flow. So I'll just go to auto flow. Okay, now we're in the app. So this is auto flow, this is for VO3. And how you would do it is just put your prompt in there. As you can see, I've created quite a few videos today, just messing around to see what it can do. First thing you need to do, in my opinion, is go to settings. And it'll say 1 video per task. Yeah, you don't want to give it 900 million, it'll just crash. Default video, make sure you get the right video on here. Because if you get quality, there you're paying 100 credits for it, and you don't want to be paying 20. Images per task, 1. Nano Banana, this is related to Nano Banana. Ratio, you can change ratio, whatever ratio you want. You can upscale it, so it automatically upscales. If you don't automatically upscale it, it'll just download the 720 normal. And then if the upscale to 1080 is free, you may as well. Auto download feature here, it'll auto configure into a folder. English, whatever language you've got, just make sure those settings are there. This part is where you put your images in and reference videos. We're not going to do that today, but you've got the paperwork and the GitHub, and you can learn how to do that. So for this one, we just did text to image. Let me just get some text and just show you how it goes in. Obviously, if you move away from it, the screen, it goes off. So you don't really want to be doing that. Right, I've got to find out where it was on all these apps here. So I've got to just go back to the floor. It's easy enough. So all you do is put these prompts in this box here, and we've got 3 there. I'm not going to run it because these are the prompts for this here, but I'll show you what it did. So you've got your text. You can import a text file if you want, and that'll just transfer it into that box. You can change this here, whatever folder you want to use it in. How it works, you just add it to queue, then you start the queue, and once that's all ready, you run it. I'm not going to run it because I've already run it, and it'll just waste me credits. And what it produced for me today was some of this stuff. Let's just quickly open a box for you so you can see some of the stuff I've been up to. I was just making animations. That's not one of the best ones. It can do quite some good stuff for video. So I'm making videos. Oops, got one running. Stop. Just making videos. Now this can come in very handy because you can make these sort of videos now on bulk. You just have to prompt ChatGPT to make the prompts correct format, and you can auto make these in minutes. You don't have to take any time, you don't have to make a big deal about it. You just need to put the prompts in this box and it will auto generate it. I'm not sure about the limits and how VO3 feel about it, but I don't think they care because it takes credits, so you pay for the use anyway. And if you've got a free account, there might be limits on that with the ultimate account, but you're paying £200 a month for an ultimate account, aren't you, or whatever it is. So yeah, I think you'd be fine with that. Okay, those of you who've got Claudebot can even make it even more simple. You just give Claudebot the URL of the GitHub, and it will work out how to do it for you. And then you just tell it what you want. And the good thing about the Claudebot is it knows you, so it knows what things you like, so it'll make it appropriate for you. Whatever industry you're in, it will make it appropriate. And I'll just show you here. So it just created prompts. Just asked it, it just created me prompts. I said, make me a story. It'll just go make me a story, so it bypasses ChatGPT. But it's ready there. The only thing it can't do, well, it can take control of your browser, but I've not authorised that, and I don't suggest anyone authorises it to take over your browser, because that's just a world of pain waiting to happen. But you can if you want. I mean, it has got a lot safer the last few days. And it can make UGC templates. Now it's made a template here, and it missed a trick because of the reference image in the VO3. She made the prompt, well, the chatbot made the prompt, and it just kept constantly doing it. So I prompted it and said, look, you don't need to see the reference image. So now they know one prompt for the image. Well, she's broke up, there we go. And she'll probably format that properly. You just ask her to format it. So there's a top tip, use that one. But this is a great feature. Also on this feature, you've got Grok image. I can't show you this one because I did a few and it timed me out. It went, nope, you're not doing any more. So I'll probably go back on it after 7 PM tonight. It's got history though. Let's have a look, what's the reparations? No, chat history. But it's the same format. You've got text, you've got frames, text to image, so you can make an image and do it that way. Settings are the same. Just read up on the GitHub. And we haven't stopped there. We've got other things on this app that people aren't showing you. You've got another extension in the Lab, Auto Meta. So you got to Meta, these are free. Same again, you've got your settings, how many videos you want. I've not actually run into any issues here, but let's just, this was the first time I ever used it a few weeks back. I don't think it does sound though, I'm not sure. I have to get a big video. That's because Windows. But ideal for animated type videos. I haven't tried it with a realism yet, so I wouldn't know. But hey, you'd think that's it, innit? It ain't, there's more. Wait. And here we are, we're at Whisk as well, so it's got a one for Whisk. We've got it all covered today, haven't we? So, same again, you've got a window here. It's got very minimal settings in this one, English Whisk download. Won't even bother about it. Put your prompt list in there that you want, what ratio you want, image count, 1 image, 2 image, whatever. You've also got the ability to put referencing, so you put subjects in, the scene, and the style you want. Just upload them as a one, or just drag and drop them into there. That does this bit here, so you don't need to do that. Once you've done it, press done. And then all you do for this one is press start. Got all these prompts here. I'm going to stop it because I don't need them. I've already done it ages ago. But it will go down then and it'll auto load like it did before. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, like, share, all that good stuff. And if you're into this kind of stuff, got a school community. It's very small at the minute. I think we've got about 30 people in, something like that. There's a lot of value in there, so we get stuff like this, and I'd appreciate it if you join. If not, just watch the videos and crack on and have a good day. Thank you for watching.